Hey guys, welcome back to another video of TechAvro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you add local files to Spotify 2024. So to add local files to Spotify, just go to your Spotify app. Now after going to Spotify app, just click the top left your profile icon. Now click on the last option, settings and privacy. Now you need to just scroll down. Now after scrolling down, here you can see local files option, and under that you will see another option which is show audio files from this device. Just turn on this option, click on allow. Now after that, click the bottom last, this your library option. Now here you can see your local file is here. You can just click on the local files option and you can just hear any of your songs, local songs. So guys, that's how you can add local files. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you very much for watching the video.